Hello guys. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me, guys? Updated settings on my mic again, so I hope it's working right now. Yeah, loud. Perfect, guys. Hello, 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 everyone. How are you guys? How was your Monday trading yesterday? Actually, how was your trading yesterday, guys? Up to K, that's nice. You lost your funded? If you guys are interested, I posted yesterday a recap on my short trade, actually that I took yesterday. You missed me. Yeah, yesterday I was with my group, guys. So, but today on YouTube, going. We are doing giveaway today, guys. I'm going to give away 250k starter accounts with my funded features. Up 700. That's nice. Not only $150. $150 is still perfect. To get funded. Okay. Oh, you lost. Okay. I remember I lost my evaluation when I was a couple of dollars away from passing this. Funny, right? I would say last couple of dollars is the hardest part to pass accounts. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. So you have new day today. Don't stress about this. Okay, I remember it was, if I'm not mistaken, it was Lilo funding accounts, evaluation accounts. Actually, I passed 50k accounts. It was like maybe almost 2 years ago. That's funny stories, actually. It was like 53k, but if not mistaken, I needed to trade like 5 days, and I passed this like for 2-3 days. And I was like, okay, Dasha, just one micro, open position, close position, open position, close position. Guys, I blew this account. I don't know how it happened, but it was a funny story. Hello, everyone. Okay, guys, I would like to share my plan today. Someone asked what is flat candle. Flat candle is no wick candle. No wick candle, when I see, for example, a candle doesn't have wick, I usually consider this as kind of hard to call this as liquidity level, but I will call this as liquidity level. So flat candle, if you open 1 hour chart or 15-minute chart, especially on high time frame, look at this. See this flat candle? This means we don't have up wick right here, right? We just have body and then move down. Same here, same story here. Body, move down, right? So basically open and move lower. So when I see the picture like this, I usually consider this candle as liquidity level. But once again, kind of hard, yeah, lots of people call this different. So some people call this like flat candle. If not mistaken, even ICT called this like flat candle. No wick candle, yeah, devil's mark. So yeah, lots of different names. So I will stick to this. It's easy to pronounce, right? Flat candle, easy to understand what this means, right? I don't need to find any like fancy name, right? To just explain what is this. So yeah, just easy to understand. No wick candle or flat candle. much easier to understand, right? We need magnets. Yeah, we will put magnets, don't worry. So actually, my plan yesterday and today is to see how we react from this flat candle. So I highlighted this PM session sell side liquidity, and also if I want to open 15-minute chart, I highlighted also this flat candle low and this high. So basically, I decided to consider this as potential manipulation. With this move down, right, it failed to take 4 standard deviation, but we only took data low, right? So still Friday low can be potential draw on liquidity. So my plan, as long as he is trying to hold below flat candle right here, as long as you hold below this level and actually trying to react from this 15-minute fair value gap, I will look for short, actually on both ES and NQ. But I'm totally fine to see break above PM session sell buy side liquidity. I was like, I put this sell side liquidity. Okay, I'm totally fine to see break above PM session buy side liquidity. That's from yesterday. Maybe the test of equilibrium of previous range and look for short somewhere from here. Hello, guys. But it doesn't mean like my structure or my high time frame is bullish right now. Not really. So high time frame structure is still bullish. So just looking for a potential move lower to take Friday low and possibly enter this 4-hour fair value gap, and inside this 4-hour fair value gap we have 1-hour matching gap. So we will see. My plan right now is just to see how we react from PM session sell side liquidity and from this 15-minute fair value gap. Actually, we have inversion right here. I feel like as long as we hold below flat candle right here, we can look potential short. That's the plan for now. As always, I'm going to share Google form. You need to just log in there and you will participate. So I put some conditions right there. So actually rules how to participate. Just when I share the link with Google form, you will read rules and you will get it. Flat candle has little baby wick. Okay, that's on NQ, right? Let me see on 1-hour chart. Maybe I was blind yesterday. That's totally possible. Oh, actually, yeah, we have this. What about ES? Okay, but ES doesn't have it, so still same idea. Baby wick, exactly right. So small manipulation was offered. But anyway, look at ES. ES doesn't have wick. Trying to respect this order block so far. I don't have solid plan because we have CPI tomorrow, so just will try to react what market is trying to give me in real time. Yesterday it was obvious, but today kind of tricky. Because tomorrow CPI, I just would like to be a little bit more careful with any trade ideas right now. Not trade ideas so far. 15-minute. Actually, it looks like breakaway gap, right? BG means breakaway gap, okay? Purple color. Guys, I sent all emails a couple of days ago, so check your email. Because 2 people replied me, and I guess only you did not reply me. Minus $70 today. That's fine. Checks maybe spam, maybe it's somewhere right here, because I sent this like 100%. Last week we had a giveaway, so actually I sent information with how to get a book. I don't trade Forex at all. If it wants to continue going up without first and no retest this 15-minute fair value gap, I mean, first move up then down will be much better than move down then move up. Move up, down will be much better. What is my prediction? Just, I guess I finished explaining this a couple of minutes ago, but okay, I'm going to explain again. In my opinion, as long as he is trying to hold below this 1 hour flat candle right here, no big candle high, and will try to give us reaction from this 15-minute fair value gap, I will look for short on both yes and Q. But at this point, I will be interested in break above PM session buy side liquidity, maybe possible attempt to reach equilibrium of previous range. But ideally to stay below this level to look for short. Above equilibrium previous range, kind of little bit more bullish picture. Back to weekly open, back to new week opening gap. I don't have like solid plan. Tomorrow we have CPI. I'm not sure about my bias today. High time frame bias is bullish, but for intraday, not really sure yet. I will see. Slightly higher. Okay, guys, I prefer to use this flat candle because it's easier to understand. For example, imagine we got new trader right here, for example. What is easier to understand, flat candle or something like devil's mark? Okay. What is easier to understand, right? Just try to keep it simple. If someone gave it like another name, it doesn't mean like it doesn't work, right? Flat candle, yeah. Flat candle or no wick candle is much easier to understand what this means. Keep it simple. You can call it whatever you want. Yeah, it's just easier to understand. Okay, usually when I see no wick candle, usually this means, I mean like, okay guys, imagine we have down close candle. What we would like to anticipate? Open, manipulation, range expansion or distribution, and low of the candle, right? But actually what happened right here? We got open. Where is high of this candle? We don't really have obvious manipulation right here. I mean, like, yeah, it looks like it's just move lower immediately after we got open of this candle. And I'm like, okay, I will keep this candle. I just would like to keep high of this candle's potential. Hard to call this like liquidity level, but I'm going to tell this it's like liquidity level. $620 is just 50% of this consolidation. Let me measure from this low all the way up to this high. Let's see where's 50%. Yeah, around $620. How I use my equilibrium of previous range. If you just go to the description of my video, you will find, just scroll down, you will find how to build intraday bias. I guess I explained this pretty well right there. I mean, 50% of consolidation, it's not really like a ICT concept, it's just like 50% of the range. Okay, flat candle equals no wick candle. Let me rename. So I feel like it's going to be lots of questions. No wick candle. Much easier, right? No wick candle. Footprint. Okay, yeah, that's actually a nice tool, especially if you trade ES, in my personal opinion. Okay, market is open, guys. Now let's try to be patient. Trying to give us reaction from this no-wick candle high. Preferably once again to run PM session buy side liquidity first, ideally. But I'm going to be patient, so if it may create a short opportunity from PM session buy side liquidity, I will short to New York midnight open and to Friday low. That's original plan actually. Yes, as long as we hold below this no-wick candle high, I also would like to look for short to take London low, obviously, and then I will look for body equal lows. Body equal lows, which time frame it was? It was 1 hour. I'm going to tell you something, guys. I'm not ready to call the sell side liquidity as well, but look what happened right here. We got equal bodies right here, right? But not like it's not like equal lows right here. When I see the something like this, picture like this, I usually consider this as potential target for me. So I'm not going to aim for this sell side liquidity, for this sell side liquidity, but I will aim for this equal lows, equal bodies. You got it. So just keep this level on your chart as well. It's 49.75. Highly recommend to keep this on your chart. Like if you're trying to find conservative target, it will be conservative target. Guys, no rush, just be patient right now. Kind of makes a little bit more sense to retrace higher first, to take PM session buy side liquidity. Just like kind of makes sense, in my opinion, and then look for potential short. But don't blindly just enter turtle soup right here. Not really smart. Rejection from this volume imbalance, right? So far looks like, yeah. Let me extend this. By the way, yeah, solid reaction from this volume imbalance. Interesting. Trying to look at stat map right now. Nothing I like actually for short. Yeah, I will try to be patient. So kind of not interested in short yet. If it doesn't want to take this liquidity level, just kind of makes sense, right? In order to go down, we need to go up first to take buy side liquidity level. Yeah. Let me open M&Q chart right here. So what I would like to trade actually did not connect at any accounts yet. Okay, this account, Apex account today, not top step. And how many micros? We will start with 10 micros today, so maybe we will add more. We will see. Nothing I like yet, guys. Look at this solid move down on ES and how doesn't really NQ wants to move yet. Okay, ES already running internal range liquidity. Well, perfect. That's interesting to see. Look at 1 minute chart on ES. Yeah, we actually got 1 minute change in the state of delivery, but with this huge displacement, absolutely hard to engage this. I usually try to stay away. 5 minute chart. Oh, crazy. Look how different this chart right now. Oh my god. Yeah, makes sense to be more patient right now. Yes, I can see we entered 4-hour inversion fair value gap on NQ and 4-hour. Yeah, bullish fair value gap. I was like, yeah, it has small wick actually. Yeah, guys, that's why I said I'm not going to be like in rush to take any trades. We have CPI tomorrow. I'm not even sure with my bias yet. So yeah, be patient, guys. So we don't need to rush. We always have tomorrow. Market is not going to like disappear tomorrow, right? Looks like ES wants to reach New York midnight open. If it's going to be just sweep, maybe it's going to be first signal for reversal to take, for example, 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, one tick away from New York midnight open. Yeah, I see this. Let's see. I'm going to switch on 1 minute chart right now. Let's see how we can hold this order block. Oh my god, how we can hold this order block right here. Why I decided to look at this order block right now? Because as you can see with this move up, pretty like solid wick up right here, but failed to close higher than min threshold of this order block. Will try to keep my eyes on this level. Yeah, looks like we touched New York midnight open, but no sweep yet. Hello guys. Yeah, it's right at New York midnight open. That's crazy, right? Yes, I did trade yesterday. I took one short during AM session. That's it. Actually, I trade on Monday, like most of the time. Especially because if equilibrium Friday range never was taken, this means I'm going to trade Monday like 100%. Not in sync right now. Yeah, guys, just be careful with shorts on NQ. Yeah, right now, as I said, makes a little bit more sense to sweep this liquidity level. Just like classic understanding, right? If market needs to go down, we need to go up first. Like to take buy side liquidity to sell off. Trying to see how we react from this order block. As trying to hold this so far, so I'm not going to engage. If it wants to react, I will wait for displacement to enter the trade. Or if it wants to break above it, I will look for potential continuation higher. Just like, we'll try to be patient right now. 65.25 is breaker block. It can be, but looks like a discount breaker block, right? Not perfect picture. This yellow box on the ES is 15-minute volume imbalance. Yeah, guys, let's be patient right now. Just, guys, one main rule that you must understand first. Market is not going to disappear tomorrow, so if you, for example, miss trade today, this means we have always tomorrow. And second rule, don't trade if you don't have any setup right now. Don't trade what you anticipate to see. Trade your setup, trade market, actually. Usually I recommend don't be upset if you miss the trade. Tomorrow will be better. One day, for example, you missed today 100 points short, let's say, but next week you will be able to catch 300 points trade. So don't worry about this. Hello guys. Okay, what if, for example, I would like to choose what I would like to trade right now? Let's say I will look for short. Obviously, I will look for short on NQ because ES already in deep discount. Does it make sense to short ES? Because ES too low already for short. But it still makes sense to short NQ, for example, if it wants to offer short opportunity from this OB. And if it wants to offer displacement, makes a little bit more sense to short NQ because NQ is still in premium. Yeah, we have news tomorrow. That's why I said, guys, no reason to rush to take any trades. If you can see A plus setup today, take it. If you just anticipate to see, okay, I would like to see lower because I said I would like to see lower. It doesn't mean it will go lower, right? If you can see high probability setup, trade it. And Q, come on. Yeah, PM session by set. It was a little bit more obvious than just short. ICT rule, should we trade one day before CPI? I would say if you see your setup, your model, you must execute it. So you don't need to listen anyone. For example, if someone told you like don't trade on Monday, and like this guy did not even explain why you don't need to trade on Monday, or this girl, I don't know who said this. So it doesn't like you don't need to trade on Monday. So I see lots of people doesn't trade on Monday because we don't have news. But okay, and we don't have news, and this means market is not going to move at all? No. I highly recommend, guys, here's a tip that I found works for me. For example, if on Friday we have obvious drawn liquidity, obvious, but we see, for example, Friday mostly consolidated, and we did not reach obvious pool of liquidity or any other liquidity level, okay? Any other PD raise that you anticipate to get and make sense, right? Most likely Monday will be expansion. Exactly what happened yesterday. You know, charts looks like, okay, here's DXY, here's ES and NQ. How ES can going? How is it possible? ES is going lower, NQ is going higher. I mean, I'm talking not about ICT right now. I'm just an overall. Like, if you see your setup on Monday, take it. Perfect day to trade. Yeah. Okay, man. Of course. Okay, usually, okay, my tip how we can, if you can avoid to trade Monday, or if you want to trade on Monday. Yeah, I mean, news, of course, will be first important rule for us, but I highly recommend to look what happened last week. For example, let's say, on Thursday, weekly objective was reached. Absolutely amazing. It happens most of the time when Thursday reach weekly objective. Friday, mostly like trying to consolidate, it traces back to Thursday range, or sometimes it's going to be TGIF, but PM is going to be consolidation. After we got TGIF, we anticipate to get like 20-30% or liquidity level. What happened last week? On Thursday, we reached weekly target, absolutely amazing. And on Friday, we got new high of the week, if not mistaken, right? Yeah, it was like this. But right after this, what happened? Consolidation. Absolutely nothing happened. So we got the action from this new high of the week and absolutely nothing. Consolidation. We anticipate to get like 20% of weekly range. We anticipate to get like data low. We anticipate to get retracement to New York midnight open. Nothing happened. At this point, I anticipate like, okay, Monday is going to be solid move. It's going to be expansion if Friday, especially PM session, was consolidation. Monday most likely will be expansion. Yeah, guys, let's see. Now makes sense a little bit more to switch on ES right now as the action from New York midnight open. I'm going to highlight this fair value gap right here, potential inversion, because if it wants to be inversion, I will look for move like this. So basically it may offer 6-7 points. Yeah, absolutely amazing move right here, like solid move. Now it's important to see, guys, if you want to short, we want to look for short opportunities somewhere, I would say 50% of this fair value gap, and right here. Look at my perfect circle right here. Almost perfect. So basically I will look for short opportunity somewhere right here and only right here. And that's it. Guys, it's okay, so it's okay. Yeah, solid move right here. Break above this water block. Break above this PM session by side liquidity and strong move up to this 15-minute fair value gaps. Yes, that's crazy. That's crazy. Actually, it's okay. I don't have magnets right here. Magnets, of course, a magnet is not going to work if I did not place this on my chart. You mean previous day New York midnight open? Depends. So depends on what I expect to get like previous day, for example, yesterday. Crystal ball. Guys, it's on my desk. Don't worry about this. I feel like, okay, this move from this inversion is fine, but I feel like we still can go to this 15-minute fair value gap. Yes, I still use quarterly theory, yes. Yeah, kind of hate to see this picture exactly with this New York midnight open. If it could be like small sweep, just one tick will be enough. It will be a little bit more obvious that we're trying to reverse. But we just touch this. That's ridiculous. See this equal lows? Yes, are you serious? Guys, not straight for me yet. Absolutely nothing I like. See how I made this window right here? I guess it's a little bit more easier to see. Right? I was looking to enter, yes, but okay, whatever. Didn't trade it. Easier to see, I guess, my chart and my executions window. Yeah, kind of like it. We have CPI tomorrow, so guys. All I want to say, like, no reason to rush, I guess. I just want to see if it was OT right here. Definitely was 50%, just interesting if it was 62. Yeah, it was 62. Was it twin setup? Looks like this. Looks like it was twin setup right here. Anyway, if you even want to enter this trade, it must be somewhere right here. Okay, whatever. RTH gap. Did not even touch 50% right here. What about? Oh, look at this. Look at ES. You feel this gap? That's crazy. Let me check SPX chart. Open of this candle and close of this candle. Okay, here's 25%. Looking at SPX right now. Yeah, we filled the gap, so kind of stuck at 50% of this current RTH gap. I'm going to show you right now. Give me 1 second. Yeah, fill this gap. Preferable to fill with the body, but it's fine. It's fine. Kind of stuck at 50%. So basically we have psychological levels right here. What else do we have? We have liquidity level right here on SPX. Yeah, I would say if we can respect this area right here on SPX, kind of makes sense to look for move lower. So range between 25% and 50%. So upper quadrant right here. We will see. Oh, look at my top of this arrow. I was like right almost to the tick. Going to switch on back on 1Q. Still, look how perfect reaction from below 50% of this 15-minute fair value gap. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. I'm sorry. Now I'm totally fine to look for short, honestly. I'm going to keep my eyes on SPX. Let me highlight the sell side liquidity. Just set alert. That's crazy. Looking at T trades model right now, absolutely nothing yet. 950 macro, yeah. Solid move from this premium array all the way down to back to discount order block right here. That's crazy. Yeah, right on time, exactly. In my opinion, if you weren't this long, it was kind of risky to hold this inside 15-minute fair value gap. But guys, this was trying to short because of my perfect circles that I drew before. That only was the reason. So see this flat candle right here, swept this level so far. Draw more circles. Yeah, so your alert, yeah. I just don't follow, I don't follow this. That's why I'm not part of any signals group and never will be the part of any signals group. I never trust someone's opinion, by the way. That was kind of fast. I'm going to switch on 5-minute chart. Makes sense to wait for 5-minute order block, I guess. In my opinion, makes sense to sell lower to New York midnight open and then Friday low. I will keep my eyes on New York midnight open, and I guess main reason why I would like to see lower is yes already. By the way, if you want to look at yes touch this level, but we never sweep this level, right? I guess it wants to sweep this New York midnight open. Makes sense. Yeah, I used to trade based on footprints, and I like stopped because I felt like it's like too much for me. So I'm just like trying to look at this, at this, at this, at this. Decided to keep this simple. But yes, footprint is absolutely amazing tool. I don't care what other people want to tell me about this, but I still like it. No FOMO, guys. No FOMO. Look at me. No FOMO. You use Quant Tower for this? Because I used to trade on Quant Tower. Yeah, Quant Tower. Okay. Actually, yes. We can talk about this if you want. because I was looking at CR chart. It was it was hard, but 1 hour is nice. No, not interested in gold right now. We just created 5-minute order block. I'm going to open 5-minute chart right now and highlight this order block right here. As well as 5-minute inversion. That's MNK chart. How many points we're away from New York midnight open so far? 50 points away. Looking for minor retracements right now. We got 5-minute order block right here. Looks like we never retraced to this level yet. I'm waiting for minor retracement up right now. If it may retrace something like this, it will be amazing. With inversion right here. So I will look for potential trade based on inversion for a value gap only. Something like this. Because I'm on 1-minute chart, I cannot see even like order block formation. Hardest part right here, since I trade order blocks like most of the time. See this? We got the closure right here, never retrace. Like it was hard to, for example, enter right here with stop loss right here, kind of 1-to-1. Okay, actually, how can I contact you? So I would like to talk about a footprint with you. Where's my... So trying to retrace right now. I will try to be patient. So looks like also trying to give us reaction from this discount order block on ES. Right here. It's already too much for me for this retracement, so it's too much. Let me check fractal model right here. Created first bullish structure right here based on this hourly sweep. But bearish structure based on 15-minute sweep. Opposite structures right here. But I like this hourly sweep honestly more. No trades, guys. Why you sold? I said if you made a trade, wait for inversion. You're trying to be in rush, so guys. Don't politely press buttons. If you'd like to press buttons, just download the app on your app store, and it has like red and green buttons. So just if you would like to press something, you can use that app. Good tip, guys. Yeah, it works. So what app? I don't remember the name. I will check if you want next time. No, this one right here. I like this fractal model right now. This big candle based on 1 hour chart. Just hourly sweep right here. Offer at 5-minute T-spot right here. And inversion right here so far. For short, no interest anymore. It's too deep retracement. Kind of not ready to try this. We just balance 5-minute bearish fair value gap, and yeah, kind of bullish structure. Even looking at 4-hour chart, looks like candle 4 would like to be continuation higher after we got sweep on 4-hour chart. No guys trades yet. So it's silver bullet time. You would like to do this live, or actually you can just send me direct message on Twitter. We can talk about this if you would like. No trades for me yet. Where is my... Nothing yet. Nothing I like. You know, I trade based on changing the state of delivery, and as you can see, it never offered actually changing the state of delivery with good risk reward. That's why. Just trying to stick to my plan and my model, so... So this indicator, paid indicator, it's based on T-Trade's fractal model. But if you just want to have these candles on your chart, go to indicator section, type high time frame candles, and use this indicator right here. That's pretty much it. Okay, I'm just would like to see if it wants to continue going up, how many points we are away from, oops, different tool, how many points we are away from a weekly open. 80 points away. What's his Twitter? Okay. Also interesting to see. Just highlighted this order block right here on ES, and would like to highlight this order block on NQ. Looking for potential continuation higher, but just trying to find low disk trade right here. It's still pretty like, okay, if I would like to use this, it's not even 2R trade, barely 2R right here. No, I'm not looking for short right now. I was looking for short if somewhere right here below 50% of this leg down. Otherwise, no reason. Also trying to just pick this order block. Only yes, my interest maybe is going to be this no week candle high right here, which is less than 10 points move. Guys, no trades yet. I see a bullish structure right now, just hard to engage, honestly. First order block, no displacement, so if it may offer displacement after the tracement down back to this OB, I will take this long. That's only the plan right now. No trades, absolutely zero trades taken out today. Yeah. No trade, guys, yet. No trade. Why I don't trade right now? Just one answer. Yeah, I trade based on order blocks, and I trade this change in the state of deliveries. I mean smart money reversals from lows and highs. Actually, never actually offer it move right here. So if I would like to consider this candle right here, we got order block only with the down close candle. This means I need to enter right here with stop loss right here and aim for I don't know. If I would like to use this order block, this means I need to enter right here with stop loss right here. Okay, it's still big stop loss. It's like 30-point stop loss. It's not best in terms of risk reward at this point. Not best in terms of points, but not best in terms of risk reward. This is not what I trade usually. I don't trade I mean, yeah, I execute based on an inversion fair value curves, but my main entry for my entry point usually is changing the state of delivery. So top of this fair value gap almost taken. Yes, OT is good for twin setup, for example. It's actually boring day, so we still have time, but I'm not going to be in a rush. Okay, looking at ES right now, we did trace to this order block. If it wants to offer displacement, so this makes sense to trade in ES, because in Q still like above this order block. OT is good for trading twin setup. Twins model. I don't trade turtle soups, like almost never. Twins, exactly. So if you just go to description of the stream, scroll down, you will find my model video, so it calls twin setup. Why don't trade turtle soups? In my opinion, this type of entries like super risky for me. Usually I trade twin setup on CL most of the time. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, that's risky. That's Russian accent, yeah. Twins for wins, exactly right. Exactly right. So we got propulsion block right here. So let's see how we can react from here. I'm going. It's not an ICT channel, YouTube channel. Let me share the link with you. Twins. Where it is? Oh, here we go. I found it. Here it is. Look at the chat. I like ES more right now, honestly. I'm sorry, guys. If ES will offer displacement right now, I will try long ES, non-Q. Only if displacement is going to be offered from here, not lower. Only from here. No displacement yet, as you can see. Yeah, pretty much. Water block inside water block, yeah. Just what's the name of the video? Just go like 4 messages higher. I just sent this. I'm from Belarus, but it's next to Russia. So same language. I'm waiting for momentum right here to enter trade. Only where I'm interested in longs right now. $10 is going to be also quarterly shift. Do you have to be part of my Discord group? Of course not. I don't know, like I was trying to trade YM, but I don't like it. I don't like it for some reason. Just not for me. Not sure yet. No momentum right here, but I expect to get. Live stream has delay right now. Okay. That's strange. I usually say like YM is trying to live her own life. It's like it's hard to trade. For example, after trading ES and NQ, you're trying to fight SMT or something like this. But no, no, YM is completely different. We got minor closure above this sequence of these down close candles. Actually, yeah, we'd like to consider 2 candles right here. Any trades? No. Nothing. Hello. Nothing I like yet. One more test of this volume imbalance, but we already swept this IM session. Actually, yeah, pre-market high right here. Come on. Dasha, what's wrong with you? Sorry, guys. Pre-market high. Okay, let's see if we may invalidate this order block. So far, just trying to offer sweep from this pre-market high. I like that INQ is still trying to sit inside 15-minute fair value gap. How many points I would like to see lower, actually, as long as we're trying to hold this 15-minute fair value gap? 120 points lower. I don't mind. Trying to respect this volume imbalance and pre-market high right here. I don't think so. Sorry guys, I did not read the chat at all. Candle count is more powerful. Okay, never counted. You guys enjoyed my keyboard? Do you play games? With my kids. Prefer to play with car toys. Let's see if it can be break a block in the future. See, one more reaction from propulsion block. Needs to invalidate this to look for your keyboard sounds. Yeah. Actually, I can adjust buttons right here, if not mistaken. What keyboard is that? It was on sale, by the way. Let me, I shared the link. Copy. I like this so far. So far, still trying to hold this propulsion block. I would say, yeah, I would say I'm waiting for. Guys, can you hear me? How is sound right now? Had problem with my mic again. You can hear me now. Okay, guys, my question for you. Who in the chat? We have almost 900 people right here. Who can help me to set my mic? who works with sound or something like this, who can help me, please? Just let me know. If you guys can help me with this, no, I just need to find better settings for this to set my mic properly. If you work with this, I mean, sound maybe is okay. Can you please send me direct message on Twitter? If you work with sound and you know how it works. Yeah, it sounds well, but it doesn't sound like I want to hear, how I want to hear. Yeah, I need to find settings, proper settings. So if you can help me with any effects, filters, so if you work with this, just let me know and send me please direct message on Twitter if you can help me with this. Looking for short soon on NQ, yeah. Crystal ball still too early because I'm looking for yes. Yes needs to confirm short idea. Then I will use my crystal ball and my magnets. It's still right here, but it's kind of far from me right now. I'm looking at yes right now. Just, oh my god, just need to confirm the short idea. You ready to click it? I will be ready once yes is going to confirm this. No trace guys yet. Absolutely nothing I like yet. I would say if I want to trade 2 lots or contracts, it's going to be completely the same stuff. Trade idea, only yes, ideally. Only yes. Trade idea will be something like this. Not sure about stop loss because I'm not sure how far we can go inside this very well, if you even can go actually. But something like this. Yeah. As I said, as long as we hold below this no weak candle high right here, I will look for ideally for this short on the ES. On NQ, that's why I said it's kind of hard for me to execute right now on NQ because I would like to see at least ES trying to confirm this. If NQ going to down right now, I will look for entry on ES, obviously. You're looking for long, right? My concern, ideally, look for Sunday open. Yeah, I mean, this 15-minute fair value still trying to hold. That's my concern. Okay, it invalidated this propulsion block. Yes, doesn't want to displace higher, unfortunately, but that's fine. Just made sense a little bit more to go right here first and then SMT, then absolutely amazing short. Okay. Let's see. Fractal models right here is trying to suggest short right now. Right now from this area right here. Yeah. Maybe trade idea will be the tracement back up to this order block and short on NQ. I don't have trade idea on the in queues. That's the problem, honestly, for me. Let me check ES. SPX did nothing so far. But trying to respect this box. Needs to see displacement actually. From here, from this area to short all the way down to sell stops on SPX. Well, I did not miss anything, so I'm just trying to follow my plan. Yeah, don't worry. I saw you called the trade. Don't worry. Both offer it sweep. 15-minute sweep right here. Both retrace to this order block. Yeah, it's not about like to say like, we missed the trade, we cut this trade. Not really. So no setup, no trades. You can say, okay, market is going to drop today like 300 points, but you will try to find entry, and most likely you will not find this, and then it means nothing. Let's go and yes, just go to the 15-minute fair value gap, please. That's all I need. I was looking for confirmation like this. Please, just 15-minute fair value, that's all I ask. Be kind with me. Just give us this fair value gap. That's confirmation that I was looking for. Okay, giveaway is going to be in 10 minutes. I will prepare the link for you guys. Guys, main rule, if you want to participate, you must create an account. I'm going to give away 50k starter plan accounts. I guess that's a new option. And in order to participate, guys, you must create the account with my link. So your account must be created with my link only. And once you created your account with my link, and you must insert your email that you use for creating account on Google form. Okay. I'm going to send the link in 10 minutes. Okay. Come on, yes. A little bit, just a little bit higher. That's all I ask. This 15-minute verbal, that's all I ask, please. Come on, yes. How many points? It was like 1 point away. Are you serious? Oh, it was 2 ticks away. No. Don't act like this. Oh my god. It was too close. Anyway. $15 inversion for a value gap. Okay, that may work actually for me. It may work. It'll be disappointed, but still may work. Ridiculous. All I needed is just to touch 15 for a value gap on yes right now. Preferable to stay below 50% to look for this. Yeah, that's the day before CPI, so yeah. On NQ, I don't need to make a new high, guys. Only on yes, that's it. I'm looking for short on both yes and NQ after yes will touch 15 fair value gap. But on NQ, I don't need to make a new high at all for this. Just on yes touches 15 fair value gap, let's short it. Yeah, that's the plan. My real name is Dasha, by the way, guys. If you want to call using my real name, call me like Dasha. I prefer this more, by the way. I will look for long only if NQ wants to create a new high, because all I need right now is just the action from 15 fair value gap on yes. Overall, short-term bearish in my opinion, yes. Minor sweep right here. Come on, yes, just touch this 15 fair value gap. Why are you trying to play games right now? We don't need this. Target, in my opinion, on yes will be daily open retest. Conservative target. Not sure about final target, honestly, yet. Maybe London low, but no, daily open. That's so annoying. We are like less than 3 points away from this fair value gap. We were 2 ticks away from this 15 and fair value gap. That's crazy. Oh, you want to tell me? Let me check. That's also annoying. Oh, you're right. At this point, just my question. Do I need to trust micro ES? Yeah, that's crazy. This is what I hate, actually. But well. Same for me. If I trade MNQ or micro ES, I still chart on NQ and ES, which makes more sense for me. Because short idea, if it wants to play out, must be from this fair value gap. Honestly, not from here. No interest. Interest only in short from 15-minute fair value gap. My original plan was like this. On NQ, I'm fine. On NQ looks fine to me because I anticipate to like try to hold even below 50% of this leg down right here. That's all I need. But on yes, doesn't really make sense. Yeah, I would like to see yes higher, honestly. On NQ, I don't really need to see higher, but on yes makes sense. I will try to trade the yes at this point if NQ wants to drop. Totally fine with this. Yeah, on micro, yes, we touch this fair value gap. And that's why it's a little bit tricky for me right now. Come on, yes, do something. It doesn't even offer a perfect change in the state of derivative right here, right? Absolutely nothing yet. Well, if no chase today, absolutely fine. So tomorrow we have CPI. If it doesn't want to provide A plus setup for me, I'm fine. I don't really feel shorting when we have high frame bullish bias, but I feel a little bit nervous to short when ES is bullish and NQ is bearish. That's always a concern. Yes, please be kind with us. I can put lots of magnets if you would like. Only what makes sense right now is wait for. Yeah, micro yes touch this very well, you get, but yes did not. So yes, come on. My son is at home today. He's sick for the last 3 days. Please remove those magnets. Unfortunately, I cannot remove these magnets. Okay, guys, while we are waiting, here's Google form for you guys. We are doing giveaway right now. Read the rules before you fill out information. Check pin post, guys. Giveaway started right now. I'm going to give you. We'll see. So I will announce a winner by the end of the stream. Where's my WhatsApp right here? Okay, guys, giveaway started. Good luck. Thank you for years for reaching this 15-minute fair value gap. It was a little bit annoying, but thank you for reaching this. Amazing right here. Absolutely amazing. Okay, guys, if I would like to short, not right now, but we will look for potential short, let's wait for order block as always. I'm going to switch on NQ. On NQ makes sense, look for a short opportunity because we already got confirmed reaction from 15-minute fair value gap. Um, let's see if we hold this fair value gap to short from this fair value gap. Or it's going to be potential immediate rebalance, guys. No rush, guys. Guys, don't ask me about my funded futures. Let's focus on price action. So we already got something interesting. Let's focus. Will be interesting this short on NQ. On a yes, I will aim for daily open. Also, this is only plan what I have right now. Okay, for entry. I'm going to highlight this. Order block. Not sure what I would like to trade, honestly, yes or NQ. I'm not in yet. I like NQ more, so if displacement from this fair value gap should offer entry, I believe. Let's see. I'm not in yet. Full port. You're brave, pretty much brave. Trying to displace from this fair value gap. Let's see if you can jump this trade. Trying to displace that like. Also, if ES may displace right now lower, it will be even better for us. Like double confirmation for this short will be even better. Let's see. I like the displacement on ES. Let me switch on ES right now. Yes, just may give us better opportunity to enter the trade. Displacement. Like this. Yes. I like this idea, should hold. And on ES, I would like to see maybe this. We have breakaway gap right here as potential reaction from here. Just keep this in mind. Looking at the ES right now. I'm sorry, guys. Not in yet, guys. Let's go. So not let's go yet. Yes. Give me displacement. I will take this trade if it wants to offer displacement. Just displacement, and I will short this. I will short this then. Full port. Oh, guys, you're too brave. I'm not that brave yet. Why I would like to short ES more than NQ? Because ES still in premium, so kind of makes more sense. Waiting for displacement right now to jump this trade. Looking for entry, so it was good for me. I guess stop loss will be right here. Oh, it's like a 1 point stop loss. We will aim for this and for this. That's straight idea, guys, so far. That's straight idea. Give me 1 second. My son is sick, so he's crying right now. Guys, if you just joined, I'm giving away right now my funded futures accounts. Highly recommend to check a pinned post right here in the chat. Oops. Fine. Oh my god. I didn't sleep well today, so cannot properly press buttons. Partial. Let me give it like some off. Guys, I'm giving trade idea, so it's up to you if you want to take it or not. I hope it makes sense. See how perfect sweep, by the way, right here from this flat candle. Need to take this partial, I guess. Just only what makes sense. I don't see any flat candles or the balances breakaway gap. Yes, not done. I mean, NQ not done yet. Makes sense to take this partial like at least, and some off from this daily open on NQ. I'm on yes. I would say same. I am not in on this yes trade yet. I like this trade idea, but I did not execute this yet. I like NQ much more, honestly. But still, partial must be taken. And guys, it's trade idea. I cannot give you financial advice, unfortunately, or fortunately. So if you would like this, if you agree with my trade idea, you can take it. I guess that's smart to do. Partial not taken right yet. If you're ready to trust me when I say it's trade idea, you can trust me, guys. I'm not going to lie. If it's trade idea, this means I'm sure in this trade. Because I don't understand why people trying to ask me if I'm in or not. I told you it's trade idea. This means I would like to execute this. Simple, right? When I drew this setups, I literally said it's trade idea. And I'm like, okay, guys, it's trade idea or not? Yes, it's trade idea. This means you can try to execute this. Just, I don't understand why people trying to ask me, are you in? Are you in? What is going to change? I mean, I literally said trade idea. Yes, it's trade idea. This means we are going to trade this. Easy, right? So easy. It's not really like spoon feed, in my opinion. Just it's okay, guys. I'm not going to like be rude right now or not, but guys, you trying to watch traders on YouTube, and you just, I guess you just want to see signals. But what's the reason why you decided to go and trade? If you consider trading as your job, it will not work like this. It will not work like this because if you trader, you must have your brain to understand where market needs to go. If you're trying to copy, like, okay, if you're trying to copy like my trade, and okay, you got like lucky today or tomorrow, or yeah, guys, listen to me. Or let's say like next week, but one day you are going to like blow your account, and then you're going to blame everyone but not yourself. Just reason, guys, what you would like, you trade is for your freedom. You don't need to sit on YouTube and watch how other people trade. Or, I mean, it's okay. Use other streamers for like compare your analysis or something like this, but don't copy their trades. Absolutely zero reason for this. Don't ask me if I enter this trade, it's not going to change anything. I said it's my trade idea. I can take it, I cannot take it. It's up, if it's up to me. Okay, guys? Hope makes sense, right? No, I'm just, I guess just adult people, especially adult men, don't understand this, but it's like, why? Like 27 years old girl must tell you this, guys. Lots of men, guys, lots of men right here trying to blame me like, oh, she did not say she entered the trade. What this? Guys, even my 5 years old son doesn't like act like this. Come on, like, be smart. Be smart, guys. Yeah, it's stupid, right? Just like, yeah, it's it's just stupid in my opinion. All smart people right here. I just cannot see like a real reason why people trying to tell me like I'm doing something wrong. Before like discuss this trade, I already explained, I guess, everything why we want to take this trade. Every single step. I said we are going to short from this 15-minute fair value gap. I even provided trade idea. Like, tell them, Dasha. Exactly, guys. Guys, I need to tell this. It's like, I feel much better right now. Much better right now. Yeah. Much better. Yeah. I'm not your mom, I know, but sometimes you can listen to me. I'm not going to give you bad advice. Trust me. My trade mom. I guess I'm too young to be your trade mommy. Yeah, I cannot say like trade enter right now. Like, right? It's stupid. But guys, I guess you enjoyed my speech. I guess I did not offend someone here. But literally give you how many points? Like 60 points already trade idea. It was needed. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Now much better. Now much better. I'm not going to give you bad advice, guys. I'm always happy to help you guys. Because, guys, I streamed just to share my opinion about this market. Actually, you never see like I'm just like hindsight right here, right? I usually like even ask questions even before something right here happened. I guess last week I asked, okay, what will happen right here? But it did not even happen yet, right? So just if you agree with my analysis, execute this. If you don't agree with my analysis, don't execute this. I feel like it's easy, right? Okay, guys. Also, lots of let's talk about this. Lots of people ask me about how did you learn this. I mean, it's screen time, nothing more. Of course, I watch every single video except like 2020, 2024 mentorship, but ICT is not strategy. It's a concept. So you must build your own strategy on this concept. So it can be whatever you want to trade. I prefer to trade. My perfect entry is order block. So I like order blocks and execute based on order block. As you can see, every single my trade based on order block. Where my book can be found, just go to description, you'll find the link right there. It should be on my website. Yeah, ICT is just concept. It never was a strategy. If you see, for example, ICT said, okay, here's a fair value gap. Okay, fair value gap. It doesn't mean like you need to execute just based on because ICT said it's fair value gap. If you don't have strategy, it's not going to work at all. Okay, this indicator liquidity. This indicator is paid indicator, guys, which shows sweeps right here. It's paid indicator based on fractal model by T-Trade. Best strategy. Guys, just what's a stupid comment right here? Let's add some magnets. I would like to see lower still. I don't really care what people is going to think about me. If you're trying to offend me, go to another streamer. It's not going to work for me. I guess I don't have any icon for crystal ball. Six exactly, so it's just too long. Oh my, it's going to take so much time, guys. You got this. Just put rainbow magnets. I told you it should work. Eventually, one day we will hit this level. Okay, guys, I'm going to. I hope I have time to reach. Maybe I don't have time to reach this. Oh, yellow. Yay, yes. Final target. Yay. Which color right here? I guess green and purple. And guys, it's going to be power of magnets. I mean, yeah, final target, and that's for runner right here. I'm not sure about this, but it's for final target, just for runner right here. Guys, sum off on NQ right now. Like, right now, sum off. Take some off right now on NQ. It's not financial advice, just friendly recommendation. See, that's because of magnets. I told you, magnets. Yeah, just like not financial, the trade idea. Slightly lower and NQ is done. Do you have any video about magnets? Not really. It's our secret. That's our secret strategy. So magnets masterclass, exactly right. And that's because I don't have rainbow magnets right here. Obviously, easy. That's why it's so slow. Yeah, public secret. Guys, sum off right now on NQ. Too much magnet? That's not too many magnets. Rainbow magnets, it's 101% win strategy. 101% win strategy. If you don't have 6 magnets, it's not going to work. Trust me. And yeah, guys, let's be all out. Kind of scared to see reversal right now. It's much better to be all out. Trust me. Good job, guys. I also was able to catch them. Alarm at 11:11. Guys, good job. We did it. Yeah, just you out. Yeah, somewhere right here. New York Midnight Open looks obvious, but let's close right here. It's not financial advice, but friendly recommendation. Let's close right now. Just I'm not really sure what is going to happen next. Daily open on it. I'm not sure. 3 wins today. I got just 1 win today. Guys, okay. I guess lots of people who knows me right here. Let's do like this. When you hear I said trade idea, this means it is going to be confirmed entry. If I'm just drawing this without saying trade idea, don't take it. If I said trade idea, you can try this. What do you think about this? I guess that's much better, right? I just need to put like trade idea. If I'm going to say trade idea, you can execute this. If I said like it's not trade idea, this means I'm not interested in this trade. If I said trade idea, you can try this. And don't ask me if I enter this trade or not. If I said trade idea, this means I would like to trade this. I hope it makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. It's easier for you. You don't need to ask me if I enter this trade. If you heard like trade idea, this means I'm looking for this trade. That's it. I guess that's much easier for everyone. It's not going to look like financial advice. It's just like trade idea, right? You may agree with this trade idea. You may like not agree with this trade idea. It's up to you. Look how we're trying to respect. That's why I put this final target in this New York Midnight Open just like for runner, I guess. Yeah, it's not financial advice, and I guess it's smart for me just to tell you, okay, trade idea, take it if you want. New York Midnight Open CVD trace. How many ticks? 3 ticks away? That's crazy. My daily target is New York Midnight Open. Usually, I'm just trying to find conservative target. Do you know that you will explain this in the next day? Exactly the same. Yeah, I need to actually, prepare, I guess, like small text right here. Why did you short? I explained this, I guess, 5 times today. I said I'm going to short in yes or in Q. I don't care. If yes, my enter this 15-minute fair value gap. Enter it. Look for short. Okay, give me 1 second. It's going to be not right here. Right here. I'm going to save this. It should be right here, 100%. Just I'm too lazy to look for this icon. That's crystal ball. Guys, we don't need to use crystal ball. It's right. Oh, you just came here. Okay, we just use this crystal ball. That's pretty much it. No, okay. Short entry. I explain why. Look how in Q. You ask me about in Q or yes? I'm not in anymore. I'm all done. One prefer to stay like one trade and I'm free to go. Oh, okay, in Q. Tell me, guys, did we close above 15-minute fair value gap? Did we close above 15-minute fair value gap? Yes or not? No. What does it mean? This means we're still inside 15-minute bearish P theory. Okay, my next question for you. Just I'm going to ask, you're going to answer. So you will understand this by yourself. Okay, if you have 15-minute P theory, On lower time frame, what we would like to anticipate. What usually is going to happen once we got high time frame PD ray? We entered fair value gap on daily chart. What will happen on 15-minute chart? Like most of the time. We look for reversal, or another word we call this like smart money reversal. Yeah, reversal. Okay, reversal or smart money reversal. Okay, in order to trade smart money reversal, what we must have? Normally, like classic smart money reversal, we must have SMT, yeah, preferably. We must have change in the state of delivery. That's first point. Change in the state of delivery, then market structure shift. Exactly. I see lots of guys. Oh, one guy is so smart right here. Exactly. Change in the state of delivery and market structure shift. So then we can say, okay, we have high chance to get smart money reversal. Perfect. Now tell me, guys, on NQ, did we get change in the state of delivery inside this? Okay, right here. Can we see market structure shift? Can we see this? Right here? Not really. Can we see this right here? Okay, right here. Second retest. Not really. We don't have market structure shift here and here. But can we see this right here? Can we see this? Yes. This means we got change in the state of delivery, we got market structure shift. Even if we got change in the state of delivery right here and right here. We don't have market structure shift. In order to confirm high probability smart money reversal, it must offer change in the state of delivery and market structure shift. So basically, this is how we want to trade 2022 model, right? What happened right here? We got market structure shift, we finally got the closure. With this retest right here, all I want to see, guys, honestly, pretty much time distortion, right? Pretty much time distortion right here, pretty much consolidation with inversion right here. As always, kind of hard for me to execute based on inversion fair value gaps or fair value gaps, but if I see we got second stage potential, second stage of redistribution, reaccumulation, we got actually inversion. Of course, we can execute based on inversion. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. Stop loss is going to be same in any case. But once we got displacement from this inversion with change in the state of delivery, that's going to be absolutely like solid setup. Solid setup to short to your target. Okay, next. On ES, basically, in order to anticipate smart money reversal, we need to touch high time frame level. Here we're on pre-market high, but okay, guys, even with this pre-market high, if I want to go back, where is my go back? Okay. Just, I don't know it's going to be high. Obviously, it's hard to short, right? It's not high time frame level. Pre-market high cannot be high time frame level, in my opinion. So when we see, for example, move like this, so we don't know it's going to be high yet, right? We obviously want to aim for P0, right? So with this move up, we cannot say, okay, it's going to be high right here, we're going to short. And even if, guys, we swap this pre-market high, it cannot be, in my opinion, high time frame level, because once again, with this move up, we obviously want to aim for 15-minute fair value gap. We didn't know where it's going to be high. Does it make sense? Yes, no. But once we enter PTRA, once again, high time frame PTRA always equals lower time frame market maker model. Like always. This is how you want to trade market maker model. It's not going to be like from nowhere. We cannot reverse from nowhere. It's not possible, right? But once we entered PTRA, that's why I said it's going to be tricky for me, because micro ES touched this level and I was like, how is it possible? So how can I execute right now looking at the ES chart? Impossible, right? But when I saw this, that's why before it even happened, I said I will look for short on NQ once ES will confirm this. And confirmation on ES was where? 15-minute PD ray. This means once we got 15-minute PD array, we look for 1-minute structure. What do I mean by 1-minute structure? Smart money universal. That's simple, right? That's pretty much it. So idea was based on just like classic understanding high time frame PD array equals low time frame market maker model. You're welcome. So just guys, that's why I would like to stream, guys, because in my opinion, maybe I'm going to sound strange, but in my opinion, I just would like to you understand how market works. So how I understand this market. So why execute this? I don't want to you copy my trades because it's not going to be beneficial for you for the future. I mean, okay, let's say this YouTube is going to disappear tomorrow. What will happen with you? No YouTube tomorrow. No, I don't know, like possible, right? I'm still here. If you can see pinned post on my in the chat right here, you can enter this giveaway. But main task why I decided to go on YouTube just to share how I see the market. Of course, I'm not going to say like I'm best trader in the world because it's not. It's not true. Simply not true. But I am absolutely happy to share my insights, how I see this market, why I would like to see this, and this. Especially when it's market, I mean, trading is pretty much boring and it's hard for me to just trade and that's it. So it's kind of boring, right? But when I speak with people, I mean, first I'm just like trying to understand that I understand this properly. So you understand this. So my task is just like, do not tell you like buy courses, go on my Discord to learn something. Absolutely not. I share absolutely everything I know right here. You don't need to pay for anything. I'm going to record the video how I understand changing the state of delivery soon. So my son is sick right now, so kind of hard to find the time to prepare a presentation for you guys. But guys, if you notice, I stream and always we forward test together. We never back test, we forward test together. So if you really understand how market works, so you must work with real-time candles. Yeah, guys, absolutely happy to share with you. And as you can see, I don't follow any signals and I'm not part of any signal group and never will be a part of any signal group because it doesn't make sense. All I want to say, guys, there is no easy money in this world. There is no easy money. Unfortunately. You don't need to pay for my courses. I share absolutely everything I know right here on YouTube. If people want to call me scammer, absolutely don't care about this. Okay, guys, it's 11:24. I'm going to give you 1 more minute to enter this giveaway. Giveaway. Where is my giveaway? 1 more minute to enter giveaway. We have almost 200 people right here. See attached post in this chat. 1 more minute to enter giveaway. Then I will do giveaway. So far, I just would like to. How we want to give away this. Oh, I found it. Giveaway is today. I'm going to give it to my funded futures 50k starter plan account. This account doesn't have activation fee. So yeah, see a pinned post right here in the chat. Yeah, guys, sometimes maybe it's hard to understand me because of my accent, maybe. But I do my best. If you like have any questions, I can like rephrase this or something like this. if you want. Yeah, I'm not like worried about my accent. Just if you have any questions, if you wasn't able to understand me, I'm going to just rephrase this. Okay, go on this Google Docs. You just need to enter your email and what else you need to enter. Give me 1 second. Your name, your username on YouTube. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, in my opinion, guys, why? Okay, I'm going to tell you something. That's interesting observation. Okay, English is my second language, right? So I learned English only when I arrived to US. It was like 8 years ago. Because when I was at school, my second language actually was Chinese. Don't ask me if I know any Chinese words. I don't remember this already. It was easy to forget this. But why it's like absolutely amazing that English is my second language. It's so hard for me to speak nonsense, right? It's just hard for me. Anyhow, yeah. It's just like funny, right? It's just hard for me to speak nonsense. Oh, it's still right here. It's on my second chart. I forgot to bring this back. Okay, guys, giveaway time. Giveaway time. That's funny, guys. Okay, guys, giveaway time. How can I hide? No, I need to move emails, so I didn't want to see people saw someone's emails. How can I? How can I hide it? Anyway, I can just like move like this. Give me 1 second. I just don't want to show people's email, so I guess I need to hide this somehow. Mm. Sometimes I feel so stupid. How can I move it? Oh, actually, I can just color this page. We got how many people we got today? Oh my god, almost 300 people. How can I hide it? Oh, here we go. I did it. Oh, one more people. Guys, stop. That's it. I really would like to give me 1 second. Stop. So, no giveaway anymore. Stop, guys. I cannot be that fast. So, that's it. Yeah, that's it. We got 267 people. 267 people. Power of magnets. Yeah, POM in the chat. 268 people. That's it. 268 people. Where is begin? 268 people. 268. And first winner is number 32. This winner is is this I know who is this, by the way. I know this girl. Um, this winner. Okay, let me. First winner, second winner, 129, and last winner, 129. This guy. Two winners today, guys. Guys, are you here? Who won this evaluations? Don't worry, guys. We are going to have more giveaways. It's not in the end of the day of your life if you are not winner today. Okay, guys, I'm going to send you emails. By the way, I guess. Okay. Don't cry. Guys, I'm going to send you emails right after stream with information that you need to provide. I do like my funded futures. You're not winner, not again. Next time, so don't worry. My magnet, that's power of magnets. POM in the chat. Okay, look, my funded futures doesn't have activation fee. It's going to be evaluation, so you need to pass, but you don't need to pay activation fee. I'm from Belarus, but I live in the US. So I'm a US citizen. So actually, I guess if I wasn't US citizen, I cannot trade actually Belarus. But if I live in Belarus and I am a US citizen, I can actually trade it. I believe, but I can be wrong. I'm not sure. Oh, guys, don't ask me about who did you vote. Oh, free Russian lessons? Yeah, I like it. No, I do trade my live account. Every single overnight trade was taken in my live account. I'm not ready to trust only prop firms, honestly. But still, as long as these prop firms exist, so I'm going to trade with them. But once again, I still do trade my personal account. I trade Top Step and I like it. I do recommend Top Step. I do recommend my funded futures. I do recommend, by the way, Take Profit Trader, and I do recommend Epix. You can hate me for this, but Epix works for me. Okay, I recently started with Top Step. I'm not live with them. I don't make like huge money with Top Step. I guess like 2K. I'm not sure how much money I need to make to transfer me to live account. Not yet. So with Top Step, I treat like my profit usually from 500 to 2K. It's not enough maybe for live account. I don't know. I'm not in live with Epix because I was needed to build my accounts once again because a couple of months ago, I blew my PA accounts. I had 20 accounts. Fortunately, I was able to take payout from there. And after this, I just blew this for 2 weeks. It wasn't like for one day. It was like one day was $200, another 200, and so on. So now I just have another 20 accounts, PA accounts. So I need to build them from the very beginning. So actually, it's fine right now. It's already perfect for payout. But once again, yeah, I mean, of course, I blow accounts. I'm not special. Okay, it happened. So just I was like in losing streak. I guess it was like almost every single day was losing trade. And once again, it was like $200, $150, but almost every single day. So happens. I'm going to record the video about change in the state of delivery, and I will explain how did you. Yeah, I did trade today. How I trade based on order block and how I trade based on inversion fair value gaps actually. So yeah, I will explain this. Okay, I traded with Epix for 2 years. So actually this account was with me 2 years, and after 2 years I blew them. No, happens. So actually right now I have my second set of 20 PA accounts for 2 years. Hello, Austin. Develop your patience. Just guys, it's not hard to develop your patience when you have model and you understand what you want to trade. How much time? My very first fund evaluation I passed for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It was 2 years ago. I don't remember exactly, but it was like 2-3 weeks. Yes, I can connect multiple accounts. You can connect lots of trader weight accounts with different prop firms, but you can connect only one Rhythmic account with one prop firm. For example, right here, let's say this Rhythmic accounts. Yeah, that's Rhythmic accounts. So I cannot connect any other Rhythmic accounts from different prop firms, but I can connect as many as I want trader weight accounts. So guys, that's why I said my target for today was New York Midnight Open. Usually that's conservative target. It's not like final target. It's not like obvious drawn liquidity, but it was conservative final target. On ES, we're still looking for this New York Midnight Open. And we did perfect job today. Yeah. Guys, any other questions? Because if you're going to have any questions, I usually recommend to prepare the list of questions and just ask me in the chat. It's like 1 question, 2 question, 3 question, and so on. Blue line. I don't remember what this line means. Oh, yeah. It's 15-minute order block. Bullish 15-minute order block. It was for AM session. It's not for this. 15-minute order block. We reacted from this order block this morning. Forgot to read this. Final targets. That's power of magnets. Easy to understand. Okay, I trade with micros. I trade minis on ES and I trade micros on NQ. Some people tell me, yeah, she trades micros. She's not real trader. I don't care. I trade micros on NQ. That works for me. I can take partials, less risk, and I don't care. On ES, since it's always small risk trade for some reason, I trade minis. Power of micros, exactly right. It's hard for me to trade minis on NQ. Yeah, I'm not going to lie, but on ES, totally fine. Usually on ES, I execute between like 1 and 3 minis because stop loss, it's like 2 points. 2 points with 3 minis, it's $300 only. Okay, if you just, I'm going to pause this recording, the stream, right after the stream. Actually, at the beginning of the stream, I said, as long as ES is trying to hold below this no wick candle high, I'm bearish. That was only the plan. I said at the beginning, I don't have like perfect bias, but I said as long as you hold below this no wick candle high, I only want to look for short. Come on, it's only 11 points right here. Well, I mean, just annoying. London low, yeah, maybe. London low is going to be taken. That's nice. Did she called the short? I called this, I guess, 15 minutes before it it even happened. Guys, if you join my stream, you will not see hindsight right here. This is why I stream, actually. When the setup occurred, I said it's straight idea. Daily profile correct, just yeah, sometimes it's hard. So sometimes, guys, for example, that's funny also. Sometimes at 6 a.m. when I wake up, I'm like, okay, today we are going to drop. Most likely it's going to be big drop. And I'm like, okay, that's going to be drop. I understand where market needs to go. When I like at 9:30 a.m., I look at chart. Where to enter? And in Q's drop in these 300 points without me, that's annoying. So it's not that hard to understand where market will go, but it's hard to execute it actually, right? Okay, if you would like to look for potential reversal on a yes, it must offer this sweep. Sweep, this means failure to close below New York Midnight Open on 15-minute chart. So on 15-minute chart, it's important. If we can get sweep on 15-minute chart of New York Midnight Open, then I will try to look for potential reversal, but right now, not ready yet. I feel like new short opportunity can be from here below previous day low level, something like this. So another 70 points. Maybe not interesting shorts right now, but we'll look for potential lower below previous day low level. You only trade 2022 model. I don't really trade 2022 model. I trade order blocks. You want to long from New York Midnight Open. If you watched my video on YouTube about intraday bias, I explained how we want to trade New York Midnight Open. You're just trying to be in rush. You have FOMO, you anticipate like, okay, you just look at New York Midnight Open, but New York Midnight Open itself is not liquidity level. You think market makers is really care about, they care about New York Midnight Open? Not really. So. No need to FOMO. $400 away, so you have tomorrow. Okay, usually when I leave runners, it's like one or three micros. So I don't really care about trading drawdown, but about consistency rule, sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's hard. That's why I usually say like try to take as many as you can partials. Yes, I did take the short. Yes, still needs to take New York Midnight Open. I guess main reason why I would like to see this equal lows. Right here. Backtesting session, that's absolutely amazing idea. Actually, we can. With FX replay. Actually, I got a trade Zella, so we actually can backtest right there, if not mistaken. Yeah, we can. Yeah, you took absolutely great short. If not mistaken, it was from here. You got this leg. Yeah, it was nice trade. I did not take it. Yeah, backtesting session, absolutely amazing idea. We can do this one day. I don't have long-term positions on NQ or yes, I have long-term positions on crypto and some stocks. But it's like options with stocks. how to trade order blocks. It's going to be a new video on YouTube. My son is sick right now, so it's kind of hard to find the time to prepare the presentation for this with lots of examples. So I will do this. Just give me the time. Guys, I hold Bitcoin from 2017, so I don't care where market will go, for example, tomorrow on Bitcoin. We got this Bitcoin for our kids. It's for them, for their future. So I hope it's going to be great in 10 15 years. Yeah, I'm giving good explanation of setups because I'm trying to keep everything simple. So it's like, trading, when you're trying to understand trading, it's like you're for, let's say I studied computer science in my university. So actually, like, imagine you're software engineer. So in order to understand how you need to code, first you need to understand logic, right? You don't need to learn, it's like math, for example, right? You don't need to understand uh, you need to learn this how math, but you need to understand how to code based on logic, right? So you need to like learn this. You need to understand this. So same for market. If you understand the logic, you will be fine. Logic. So that's why when I'm trying to keep everything simple, that's because of logic. It's like not that hard. You don't need to learn ICT for like 15 hours a day to understand this. You need to learn. Main word, keyword, learn. You need to understand this. Understand the logic. When are you going to live again? Tomorrow. Uh, since I already got good trade today, not going to trade PM session, most likely. Maybe on top step. I don't know yet. Let's go higher. Let's see. I feel like he is acting ridiculous right now. Yeah. On Friday, what is going to be on Friday? Did you say you? Yeah, my first evaluation I passed for 2 3 weeks, but my another evaluation I passed for 1 day. But it doesn't mean like you need to pass for 1 day. I'm going. No, I'm going to stream until the end of this year. I don't have any plans on vacation or something like this. If market is open, I'm going to trade it. If market is closed, I'm going to enjoy the time with my family. That's pretty much it. Better for payouts, my funded futures, I would say. How I trade my model? Yes, actually, you can find this on my YouTube. Just go to the description of this video. You will find it calls like my model. Why? Sometimes, of course, I don't have trades. But why I don't have trades? Because I don't have my model. So I only follow my plan. So I prepare the plan, I trade my plan. That's it. Actually, give me one moment. Oh, give me one moment. Okay. Here's my pre-market plan. So usually I post pre-market plan and it's was posted at day 43. So today I will look for possible attempt to push us to PM session sell side liquidity right here. And if we in Q may offer 5-minute order block from there, I will look for short to aim for Friday low. Preferable to take Friday low? Not sure yet, so we will see. What about ES? Let me open ES. On ES, as long as I below, okay, ES offered weekly immediate rebalance yesterday. I hope everyone saw this. And so far rejected from that level. So this morning, weekly immediate rebalance was at 60. I don't remember. Oh, right here. So far we're trying to reject from here. Perfect. What happened next? So I just trying to explain my logic. So my plan is to see how we can, ES can react from 15-minute fair value gap in flat candle right here. As long as we below these two levels, I would like to see continuation lower, take New York midnight open and this equal low bodies. So basically, I cannot see the future, but I can understand where my setup is going to work. So as you can see, I expect to get moved to 15-minute fair value gap. And as long as we're below these levels, I want to look for short. Pretty simple, right? And that's why I was looking for short. That's it. We took PM session sell side liquidity. Perfect. Look for short. That's it. Where I would like to see longs? No interest in longs as long as we hold below equilibrium of previous range. Break above this level, maybe something will happen. See, it's just based on logic. So I see, for example, from here, why we can drop, because we got PD ray, high time frame PD ray equals lower time frame structure. Same for NQ, high time frame PD ray, lower time frame structure. And validation based on high time frame PD ray. That's pretty much it. So I cannot see the future, just logically. Can understand where market can go based on my setup, for example. So I can say my pre-market plan pretty much play out. Yeah. Friday low will be, of course, much better, but it's okay. Only, yes, my first target is going to be New York midnight open, and last target is going to be this body, equal those bodies. So basically, 49.75. Yeah, I will record the video about changing the state of delivery. That's pretty much it. Let's see if yes might run New York midnight open, not because of this New York midnight open, but because we also have equal lows. Yeah, let's see. Guys, I guess we can be done for today. I hope everyone enjoyed the stream. I hope everyone was able. Actually, we were able to catch absolutely like only one obvious move down, and it was main move. How can you join my Discord? Guys, I'm not going to promote this on YouTube. You first. Okay, guys, I will see. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you tomorrow. Do you ever trade silver bullet? Actually, I execute from 9:45 and until 11. I can say yes. I trade silver bullet. Just not fair value gap itself. Changing the state of delivery, but still fine. Yeah, guys, thank you for joining. I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Tomorrow we have CPI and okay, guys, quick note before I leave. When we have CPI, we have 80% chance to retrace to New York midnight open after CPI release. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. Yeah, guys, bye bye. I will see you tomorrow.